Hello, my name is Mentory Braggs, and I am returning district director. Woohoo! So happy to be here with my sister Dee Dee's. You might notice I have a basketball here, and that is because I want to share with you what I love to do. I'm a team player. I build my team by engaging them in a game of basketball. We're just going to call it JAFRA basketball. But how do you include team members? Everyone is an important part of the team. Even if they're sitting on the bench for a while, they come back, they join the game, and they just jump right in there. And then let me tell you about what is really exciting the last couple of months because of us being home more than usual. Not only us, but the whole world is at home. So I guess I could say I was kind of prepared for the moment because I had been doing conference calls for well over 20 years, every Tuesday night. But we took it to the next level because back in February, I had started engaging my team and telling them that we need to build up our social media presence. And I also told them to start taking your clients and adding them to friend requests to Facebook and Messenger and text messages. So we're already building our audience. So when the virus hit and everybody was at home, they were already prepared to do business from home. So and I always say, get your basketball out. Don't worry about the social media and what you can't do and don't know how to do. I say touch it and push the button. You can't hurt it. Another thing I did with some of my clients that didn't even have website was I've always text. I've always took pictures of lipsticks that I drew on the back of my hand, different shades, and text them back and forth. And so I've always done appointments that way. So I teach my team there is so many ways to operate this business. And then we moved to Zoom. That was the biggie. I said, okay, so we're prepared. Let's practice on Zoom. So we've been practicing and practicing for 2 months. We finally did our live one a couple weeks ago. We've done several of them now. And it's all about having fun. You know, it takes some time to get on. It takes some time to get used to it. But I said, as long as you got your basketball, you're having fun. And my son taught me this years ago. The only way to learn how to play basketball is get out there with the ball and start dribbling. There's more than one way to build, to grow, but you have to actually just get out there and do. So thank you, ladies. And just don't be a people watcher. Get involved.